Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can download and install Signal private messenger on your device. So it is really simple. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So you need to go Play Store or App Store. So I'm just going to search here Signal private messenger. Just type this Signal private messenger. Then you can see here it's appeared on your search. So I already installed it, and if you want to see this preview about this app, that you can see here 4.5 ratings, 2 million reviews, and 100 million plus people already downloaded this app. So this is really secured and easy to use, so you can use this and connect with your friend and other person. So today is no more friend, and thank you for watching this tutorial.